Yes, silence now, be rendered. Understand how to this question properly. First, I will explain you. Second, you will explain me. Third, you will try on your own. So, be rendered. Try on this first of all. Root 5 plus 1 raised to the power 5 minus root 5 minus 1 raised to the power 5. Now, as I said, first one I'll explain, the next one onwards I'll ask you. First I solve this root 5 plus 1 raised to the power 5. Did you all write up till here?
Yes.
The power is 5. So coefficients will be 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5. You also keep writing it. Any confusions with this? Did everyone write up till here? Now the first variable is root 5. So we'll start with root 5 raised to the power 5 and then keep on decreasing. So 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Are you all able to recollect this? And then second variable is 1. So we will start with 1 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are clear with it? In between there is plus. So everywhere plus. Now, see here everyone be attentive. Now no need to solve it again. Is root 5 same? Both the brackets? Is 1 same? And power also same? Means the factors are going to remain same. The only difference instead of plus we have minus. So it will become minus plus minus plus minus. Copy down the same thing again with the signs minus plus minus plus minus. Means in between minus and same left side copy down on the right side. The only difference in between there is minus. So 5C0 root 5 raised to 5, 1 raised to 0. Then instead of plus it will become minus. 5C1 root 5 raised to 4, 1 raised to 1 plus 5C2 root 5 raised to 3, 1 raised to 2 minus 5C3 root 5 raised to 2, 1 raised to 3 plus 5C4 root 5 raised to 1, 1 raised to 4 minus 5C5 root 5 raised to 0, 1 raised to 5. Raise your hand who did not understand the right side. All are clear with this? Because the numbers are same, the only difference in between there is minus. So this minus plus minus plus minus, rest all will remain same. Now put your pens down. Now understand how to solve this, be attended. This portion is same as we have been doing yesterday. Now little bit different things are there, so understand it first, then you can copy it down. No one should be writing it. See, first of all, minus means, can I say all the signs will change? This will become, this will become, this will become, this will become minus and plus. If I open the brackets. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Okay, if I open the brackets, then minus into plus will become minus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. Now both the sides, the numbers and values are same or not? So the negative values will get cancelled. Both the brackets, the values are same only. So the negative ones will get cancelled. First, third and fifth will get cancelled. The negative ones, first, third and fifth will get cancelled. Now, with the 5 power, the coefficients were 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now whatever does not get cancelled, can I say it is appearing 2 times? Like for example, suppose this is x. Are this number same on both the sides? What is x plus x? 2x. So can I write it as 2 multiplied by non-cancelled numbers? Once again understand this. Whatever is not cancelled is appearing how many times? 2 times. So 2 multiplied by non-cancelled numbers. Now here, what is the value of 5c1? So can I write 5 into root 5 raised to 4 into 1 raised to 1 plus, which is the next non-cancelled number, this one? What is 5c3 again? So 10 into root 5 raised to 2 into 1 raised to 3, which is a non-cancelled number again. 5c5, what is that? 1. So 1 into root 5 raised to 0 into 1 raised to 1. I repeat it one more time, and if you're not clear, then raise your hand. First of all, negative numbers get cancelled. So first, third and fifth gets cancelled. Now second, fourth and sixth is appearing 2 times in both the brackets. So what do I do? 2 multiplied by non-cancelled numbers. Okay, what do you do in the next step? 2 multiplied by non-cancelled numbers. And regarding the non-cancelled numbers, this coefficients I have written on the left side. So non-cancelled numbers coefficient is 5, 10 and 1. 5, 10 and 1. Now we studied yesterday, square root gets half. Square root gets cancelled, power becomes half. So 5 raised to 2. 1 raised to 1 is 1 only. 10. 5 raised to half of 2, 1. 1 raised to 3 is 1. 1 is 1. Root 5 raised to 0 is 1. 1 raised to 5 is 1. So simply 1. 2 into 5 square is 25. 10 into 5 is 50. 5 into 25 is 125. Plus 50 plus 1. 2 into 176, that is 352. Did everyone understand this? Now before you start writing, raise your hand who is not clear with the cancellations. Everyone is clear. Raise your hand who is not clear with 2 into non-cancelled parts. All are clear? And in non-cancelled parts, instead of writing 5c1, I am directly writing the value 5. So with pencil you note down the coefficient on the left side so that it becomes easy for you. And then we have to simplify that. What is the rule of square root? Power becomes half. Continue. Square root part is clear? In the video lecture, background music will also be there. Yes, now still anyone who is not clear with any part? So now I will be asking you the second one. Everyone is clear? Look at the next one. Root 2, silence now. Root 2 plus 1 raised to the power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 raised to the power 6. So, Kiran, 6CO. Then, yes, keep silence. Yes, silence everyone. What is this? Stop the nonsense now, no one should be laughing in between. Already there is a lot of noise, so maintain silence. Yes, Kiran, root 2 raised to, up till root 2 raised to 0, from 6 to 0. And third one, 1 raised to 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In between everywhere, plus. Now what is the sign in between? Plus. What will you do on the right side? Same things you will copy with minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, copy down the same things. Now here we change the signs because in between there was minus, but here in between there is plus, so the signs will remain same. Understood that? Raise your hand who is still writing up till here. Complete it fast, I'll give 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now raise your hand. Which terms will get cancelled? Harmeet? Yes, raise your hand. Which terms will get cancelled? Harmeet, which ones will get cancelled now? Yes, sir. Second, fourth and sixth, negative will get cancelled. Like in previous also negative we cancelled it. Here also negative will get cancelled. But then which are the negative ones now? Second, fourth and sixth. Is everyone clear with this? And then what do we have to do in the next step? 2 multiplied by non-cancelled terms. But first, what are the coefficients with 6? 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. So non-cancelled terms we have to write now. Shift non-cancelled. 1 into root 2 raised to 6 into 1 raised to 0 plus third term, that is 15. 15 into root 2 raised to 4 into 1 raised to 2. Then again fifth term, that is 15 into root 2 raised to 2, 1 raised to 4, and lastly plus 1 into root 2 raised to 0, 1 raised to 6. Anyone having any doubt up till here? Now, Satvik. So how will you write? Root will get cancelled. 2 raised to 3, and 1 we need not write. Plus
2 raised to 2.
Yes, half of 4 it will become 2, and 1 we need not write. 1 raised to 2 is 1 only, so we need not write then.
2 raised to 1.
15 into 2 raised to 1, and 1 raised to 4 is 1 only. Last is also 1. Did everyone understand this? So 2 into 2 raised to 3, 8. 2 raised to 2, 4. 15 into 2, 30. 2 into 8 plus 60 plus 30 plus 1, 2 into 99, 198. So anyone having any doubt with this type of questions? Actually third one you need to try it on your own, but I want to finish the chapter. So you'll try, then again I'll do it. We'll do it together. Okay, so third question. You can keep doing it on your own and I'll do it on the board. So you do it on your own without seeing it from the board. And you can verify whether your answer is right or not. Okay? Root 5 plus root 3 raised to 4. Plus root 5 minus root 3 raised to 4. So as I said, you keep trying on your own and I am doing it on the board. Right? With 4 the coefficients will be from 4C0 to 4C4. Then you'll start with root 5 raised to 4 and go up till 1. Root 5 raised to 0. Then you'll start with root 3 raised to 0 and go up till 4. In between everywhere plus. I repeat, don't copy it from the board. This is something you can do it easily on your own. In between plus. Now what do you do on the right side? Same things, but minus, plus, minus, plus. Yes, done with this? Now, which ones will get cancelled? Second, fourth will get cancelled. The non-cancelled will be multiplied by 2. With the fourth, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
Yes.
So 2 into 1 into root 5 raised to 4 into root 3 raised to 0 plus 6 into root 5 raised to 2 into root 3 raised to 2 plus 1 into root 5 raised to 0 root 3 raised to 4. Now 1 I need not write. This becomes half of 4 2, so 5 raised to 2. Root 3 raised to 0 is 1, so I need not write. 6 into, again half of 2 is 1, so 5 raised to 1, and half of 3 is also 1, so 3 raised to 1. Plus, last is 1 into 1, root 3 raised to 4 means 3 raised to 2. Half of 4 will become 2, so 3 raised to 2. 2 into 25 plus 6 into 5, 30 into 3, 90, plus 3 square is 9. 2 into 25 plus 90, 115 plus 9, 124 into 2, 248. So, has everyone understood this type of question? Now, question number 3. Okay, this was sub questions of question 2. So after that, question number 3. Those who are still solving, complete it fast.